Damn it. Yo, just pulled up with the homie right now, bro. We about to go to the meet. I'm in his room right now. About to bust in the nut. Oh. Heard he uses this as a flashlight. Damn. Yeah. Oh, I think this is the RC car he's talking about. This is kind of sick, actually. I can't even see. Where the fuck is his lights at? Shit, I don't know where his lights are at. Isn't it not bond in here? Oh, we got a whole loaf. That ass. Why do you have a full loaf in your...
Dude, that's my lunch for work. I make myself... I even have fucking ham in there too in the fridge.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Make myself lunch for work. Save the money. The fuck are you doing to Shrek?
Oh yeah.
He was trying to sit. Go take a piss. Like I thought I asked my grandma to fucking charge my phone too, so I can record. My phone wasn't charged.
I guess like I was blowing Strike's back out right now. He's eyeing me down, man. He's gonna fuck me up. He's gonna catch a right. He's gonna catch a mean right hook. That will be hard. Look at this. Just got to the meet. It's pretty packed here, actually. Yeah, where we at, Mig? Where we at?
We're at Fujiwara Tofu Cafe for the 26th birthday of Initial D.
That 26 years?
26 years since the anime came out.
Damn. Yeah. Oh, bro, that super's hard.
HKS. We're gonna get to that right now. We gotta go in order.
Yeah, we gotta start. Here, hold this. I'm gonna get a photo of your shit.
F in action right now. I guess.
Oh, bro, I fucking.
You gotta tag me on those pictures, bro. That's hard, but you gotta get my car more.
Yeah.
If I go like right here, this will be perfect right here. Dude, it's a thumbnail for sure.
Right here?
Look at that thumbnail right there. Thumbnail.
Oh shit, you can even see.
That's hard. Yeah, you gotta send me that for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, he's leaving?
Sorry about that, man.
I'm gonna get a shot with yours too. I'm double fisting right now. I'm double fisting right now. Double fisting right now. Here we go. Alright.
Where do you want to walk to now?
Probably walk this way, around, and then we can circle around.
Let's do it. That might.
Alright, Hefe, where we at today, Hefe?
We're at the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe.
Fujiwara Tofu Cafe for the 26th anniversary of the anime coming out. How to bring Hefe today. Cool stuff.
Ooh,
we're at the Integra. We'll get to that in a little bit when these people are not around.
What is this?
Dude, this car's in GTA. It is. It is.
I ain't never seen. This is a clean Civic.
Carbon fiber hood.
How about some Del Taco?
You have it right there, no?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Fuck.
FCR7. I like these FCs. but I don't like the convertible.
Yeah, I don't really like convertibles either.
Yeah, it's kind of overrated.
Like the soft tops.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, let me check this Honda Fit out though.
At that next car. Taro
Honda Jazz? Honda Jazz? I never heard of that.
No, but Taro Fit. That means it's a
It ain't even manual.
fit. Illegal parking here. It's illegal parking.
Oh, look at the RSX.
Oh, DA Integra, bro. That DA's clean.
Oh, I didn't even see that one. Porsche over there?
RS6. Yeah, it doesn't compare to my RS6.
What? Yeah, this is black. Haven't seen nothing too crazy yet. Hold up, let me. Who the fuck opened that Nissan Versa? Oh, they're playing Initial D right there.
Oh shit, they are. This is where you can get into it right here.
Imagine Backy's right here in this parking lot.
This is fucking what is it called? The drive-in. The drive-in.
Oh, we should have brought a truck so we could fucking go in the back and fucking bang.
Oh, S15 right there. Check that out.
Oh, Pokeball or Pokebomb?
He's parking in a handicap.
Maybe he's handicapped.
He's probably not.
This shit is clean. Had to flick up real quick.
DA Integra.
You wouldn't get one of those?
I would. Kind of wanted to own all the generation Integras. You know?
Get a little calm ass 350.
350.
What are those? Are those?
Those are the GRs.
86s?
The GRs. Yeah, GR86s.
Damn,
No
three
good
of them.
lighting over here though.
Just found an S2K. Let me. Bro, these aren't like coming out how I want them to.
Gotta hit the main area now. Let's cut through the Integra. That's a piss though, low key.
Fucking Altima. Who opened up the Altima?
For real though, huh? Should have lowered the windows for them.
They would have seen the flashlight though. Look at that fucking oh, you can't even see it.
You said I just know you said the flashlight. I haven't even got shots of my own car yet, bro.
I mean, yes, bro, you have it.
Barely ending.
This motherfucker. Fucking, I give that shit back shots every night. Cool. This bounce. Let's go check out the real cars.
This is YouTube. Remember you say you wanted a 350?
Still do. I'm gonna get one.
The blue one, too.
Match you?
The blue game.
Should I match you?
I feel with the one-handed photography shit right here.
I'm double fisting right now. Double fisting.
I would.
gotta do these from
Alright, fuck you, man. If I just got in my shot.
Sorry about that.
A red hatch? What is this, S15?
What?
Yeah, the S15 right here.
Bust a nut. I'm catching everybody.
Like rough or what?
Yeah, rough. I'm getting everybody.
Oh, look, the fucking people parked over here in the security center. Wait, these guys moved over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What the?
I was like, wait, I've seen these before.
A Fox body? Are you a Fox body guy or not?
Is that the Meros?
No, the Mustangs.
Oh, Mustangs. I fuck with Mustangs like that. Fox box. So where you trying to grab at though? That's the real question. I'm trying to.
Do you have a pisser in the shop? Did you want boba?
Oh, you want to get boba?
I don't think I want to. I'm kind of scared. I don't know if you want to try it from here though.
Yeah, just do it, bro. You only live once, bro. We'll try the brown sugar.
Brown sugar boba. I'm not a boba fan, but head said.
It is good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think it's good.
Well, I got you, mate. Smells like fucking ass in here. Let's see what they got. Oh, that's hard.
Tap to order. Let's see what we got here.
Restart. What? This shit on. Okay.
Fujiwara top special drinks. Is there only 2 drinks right now? Oh, the hot versions.
Soy coffee. They don't got my fucking. They don't got the boba one I want. Tofu pudding. Yeah, maybe they don't got it.
Dog menu.
Let's see. Let's go back here. Bro, they're just. I don't even want soy milk either way. Alright, yeah, this is not it. We're not getting shit. No. This is bounce. Smells like ass. Smells like ass in here anyway.
Hard as fuck. Kroger though. Hard as fuck though. It is. It's at 9 a.m.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, what time you work tomorrow?
No, but I might not be awake. I don't know how far. Wait. We gotta double check right now when we go to Dave's.
Alright, we'll see. Don't stall it now.
I don't know the clutch technique. Clutch technique, brother. Reverend.
No gyat.
The nyat?
That was a nyat.
The nyat?
Negative gyat.
Yeah. Negative, yeah, inbound.
So I wouldn't even mean to do that.
Whoa.